Students, for class 9th, in the unit of geography, we are having the chapter Physical Features of India. That means, as on the earth crust, what type of particular features are there. If we are talking about our country, we can see different type of features in our nation, that is the hilly region, in which the rugged terrains are there with mountains and valleys, and all other major features of the earth like mountains, plains, desert, plateau and islands we can see in our country. So I think there is no need to go out India, as every type of physical feature is available in our country. We can find here different type of rocks. Some are hard like marble, which was used for making Taj Mahal. Do you remember that? And some are very soft like soapstones, from which the talcum powder is being prepared. The color of the soil varies from one place to another because of the different type of rocks. India, with a large land mass formed during different geographical periods. So, our crust is prepared due to the different type of processes such as weathering, erosion and deposition, due to which our present relief is there. The scientists, they used to do so many studies regarding our earth planet. One such possible theory is theory of plate tectonic. ये theory of plate tectonic क्या होती है? हमारी पृथ्वी 7 मेजर और माइनर प्लेट से बनी हुई है। उनके अंदर किसी भी तरह की हलचल होना, वो प्लेट्स का आपस में टकराना, पास में आना, दूर जाना अथवा ऊपर या नीचे शिफ्ट होना. Now let us come to know what this type of movement is called as. These three are the process folding, faulting and volcanic activities. Beside these three plate movements, these are classified into 3 levels. When some plates are coming towards each other, that form convergent boundaries, and usually the result of convergent boundaries when the plates collides, ये टकराती हैं जब एक दूसरे से, तो वो फोल्ड होती हैं और ऊपर की तरफ जाती हैं. Then due to this folding activity, the mountains are created. And when some plates moving away from each other, these form divergent boundaries. Here you can see one plate is going towards right, one is going towards left, and here this divergent boundary create the water bodies. And the third one is transform boundary, when the plates are moving upward and downward. Rest we will study in the next video. Thank you.